Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and remove the key to avoid the blower fan activating while you work. Gather a Phillips screwdriver, work gloves, a small vacuum, and a replacement cabin air filter sized about 8 by 8 inches or the exact OEM part for your model. Open the passenger side glove box, remove its contents, and feel for the glove box stop tabs on either side. Squeeze or depress the tab on the right side to allow the glove box to swing down fully and expose the filter housing. Locate the rectangular filter housing behind the glove box. Press the 2 plastic housing clips inward to release the cover and pull the cover straight out. Note the airflow arrow printed on the filter and on the housing so you keep the same orientation. The arrow points toward the vehicle interior. Carefully slide the old pleated filter straight back and out, keeping it level to avoid spilling trapped debris. Inspect the housing cavity and use a vacuum to remove leaves, dust, and loose material before fitting the new filter. Unwrap the replacement filter and align it so the printed airflow arrow points toward the car interior and the pleats stand vertically. This ensures proper drainage and filtration. Slide the new filter straight into the housing until it seats firmly, then snap the housing cover back into place by engaging both clips. You should hear a click. Lift the glove box back up, reinsert the stop tab so it closes normally, return contents, and start the engine to test the AC and cabin airflow. Replace the cabin filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.